Welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia James. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, make sure that you click the bell notification button. I've noticed that most of my subscribers, they don't get the notifications on my new videos. It's probably because I was gone for some time. So anyways, I get a lot of questions about retwisting my Microlocs. So I'm gonna try to document and put together as much information as I can about how I'm able to manage my Microlocs retwisting instead of interlocking. I don't switch between interlocking and retwisting. I only do the retwisting method. Interlocking and retwisting, they both have their pros, their cons. If you want me to do a video on that, if I haven't already done one, I can. For me, it was three things. How long is it gonna take to do? Is this something that I can easily manage on my own? And what is it going to look like? It takes me 3 to 4 hours to finish retwisting my hair. It's gotten a lot easier over time. I usually watch television while I'm doing my retwist. It's also an easier method to learn. When I decided to lock my hair, I knew that I wanted to manage my own hair primarily, and that's what I've always done, even with my loose natural hair. Also, I found that with retwisting the locks, it's something that's more widely accepted by locticians right now. It's easier to find a loctician if that's something that I choose to do along the way. When I turned 1 year, I decided I wanted to go to a loctician. It was easy to find. Now, I haven't been back since. That's a long story. And I don't know if I'm going to be doing it anytime soon, but it's an option and an easier option when you're doing retwisting. Now, there are many locticians who do interlocking. I've just found that it's easier to find locticians that do retwisting. When I initially started my locks, they were really, really tiny, and I had a lot, over 500. Over time, I've combined over half of my locks, which in return, it did make my locks appear fuller. However, even with that, I've noticed that as my locks have matured, they are getting fuller and they have a more rounded appearance, which I love. When you're retwisting your locks, you have a little bit more ability to kind of manipulate the shape that you want. So that's another benefit. I have no regrets about the method that I choose to maintain my locks. Too much of anything, we know it's bad. A lot of people talk about over twisting the hair. There's also issues with interlocking. I retwist once every 4 to 6 weeks, and the more that my locks have matured, I find that I can wait a little bit longer in between my retwist. All right, so if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, if you're already subscribed, click the bell notification button, because again, you guys don't even know I'm back half the time. Every video, there's at least 2 people that's like, oh, hey, I didn't know you were making videos again. I didn't even know you had locks. So it's been over a year. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. See you in the next one.